Today I am going to clean up this old chisel. Actually, it's not that old, but it's in, it's just dirty. This is a Stanley 444 5/8 made in USA. So we're going to clean this up using the wire wheel. This looks a lot better than it did. Pretty well cleaned up. So you can pick something like this up at a yard sale for next to nothing, especially if it's dirty and rusty looking, as long as it's not too bad. And then you can clean it up and paint it whatever color you want. But there you have it. So just a quick video on cleaning up a Stanley 444-5/8 made in USA. I did the same thing with this Stanley 84-121 needle nose pliers with cutter. These are very rusted. This was made later in the years. Obviously, it was made in Japan. Some Stanley tools were made in USA. But yeah, this was pretty rusted when I started, and it cleaned up really nice. So yeah, like I said, you can pick this stuff up very cheap. Yard sales, flea market, stuff like that, and then clean them up yourself, and you get yourself some good tools. Now, a tip: if you're picking up tools that are cutters and stuff like that, you want to make sure that that blade right there is tight. If it has a chip or chunk, or it's not closing tight because the tip's hitting or something back here is hitting before the blade, you're never going to be able to use it to cut very well. So this one, the blade's in really good shape. You can see. Hopefully that you can see that's still nice and straight, nice and sharp. And when you close the pliers all the way, that's what's hitting. So you'll be able to make a cut, and there's a space to the rest of this. So hopefully that helps you out as far as cleaning up some old tools that you can pick up for next to nothing.
Well, thanks again for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. I hope you liked that video. Make sure you come back. I have a lot more videos. But there's another channel out there that's got a lot of videos as well, and a pretty good variety, and that is The Art of Doing. He has a nice variety of different topics he does, really just trying to inspire people to try different things that they may not have tried before. See if there's some stuff over there you might be interested in as well. This is Shane's Main Shop, but I want you to check out The Art of Doing. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.